and you will get a new Google Sheet. And for this example, I'm just going to make a generic timeline of technology timeline. So I want to make sure I title my spreadsheet to start. So I will put the same title in the first row. And then I'm going to click and drag across, and then I need to go to merge and center. Well, merge, and then I need to hit the center. And then I will choose a font based on the instructions. I choose a font and then the size as instructed. And then I need to choose a fill color. So I go over to more. Choose a color that I like. Then I'm going to go down a couple of cells. I would start putting in my dates. Make sure you put your dates in based on the expectations. So once you have your dates in, you would select them all. And then once again, you're going to center them. You want to make the font a little larger. And then I'm going to choose a fill color that looks nice. Want to add a border as well. I'm going to go up top here. I forgot to add that border. On this, up above here, you would kind of have a miniature label, like something major that happened. So maybe in 1950, we had our first computer. And then maybe it was 1960, maybe we had a laptop computer. You guys obviously would be using actual correct information as you went. For the sake of time, I'm just making up some labels. And then down here, you would have a description. So maybe the first computer was created and the size. You can see that's not fitting in there. So when I go to the next cell and I add this description, so for the sake of the example, obviously the other descriptions there need usually more detail. So I'm going to select all of these. And then I want to go up here to text wrap. And then I need to go to the the orientation, I want to turn this. I want the text to go from the bottom and read up. And you can see what's happened here. It's all crammed. I just click and drag over on the left, and that will make those cells larger based on need. And then I can do the same thing up here. I'm going to turn these at an angle. And then I'm going to choose a fill color that looks nice. And then down here, I'm going to do the same. I'm also going to give all of these a border. And there you go. Make sure you go back to the expectations. And I know that you needed to add a photo, so just for the sake of this, we'll go to insert an image. We'll just put it in cell. We're going to go get it from Google image search. Find something that kind of goes with the topic. Grab that one and insert that. You can see it's up above here. Going to add it over here instead. And there you go. Like I said, you want to go back, make sure you have all the instructions, all the font sizes, and everything as instructed to make it look really nice. Okay. There you go. I got to just make it look pretty real quick. All right. Thanks.